ombre poncho tarp solves the classic problem of whether to carry a raincoat or a tent by being both. During the day, you wear it like a poncho, giving off rugged adventure vibes. At night, it transforms into a shelter by propping it up with trekking poles. If you want the lightest option, go for the black single silicone model. For tougher adventures, the red or blue double-coated 30D nylon versions are built to last. The seams are fully sealed, and even the zippers stay dry in heavy rain. Magnetic door clasps let you open it with one hand, while reflective guy lines keep you safe from tripping. With multiple pitching options and handy storage pockets, it's versatile and reliable. A bear encounter is the last moment you want to be testing your luck. The creator of UDAP bear spray knows this better than most. He survived a grizzly attack himself and made it his mission to give others a fighting chance. For just $48, this spray packs 225 grams of serious stopping power, strong enough to send even the toughest bear in the other direction. Unlike a thin stream you'd have to aim with trembling hands, this spray releases a wide, powerful cloud of capsaicinoids, the same burning compounds found in chili peppers. It can reach up to 9 meters, completely engulfing the bear's face in a fiery fog. Because it's oil-based, the mist hangs in the air, making it nearly impossible for a bear to charge through, even if it tries. Durability is also part of the design. The double-walled aluminum canister is built tough enough to survive drops, even off rocky terrain, without failing. And if you're fumbling under pressure, the nozzle is designed to work no matter what angle you press it from. UDAP bear spray isn't about experiments, it's about proven protection when you need it most. The D32 bird net trap is a smart and humane way to catch small birds, whether for study or in a survival situation. Instead of harming the bird, it works with 2 spring-loaded metal half hoops that snap shut and gently cover the bird with a soft nylon net. The bird ends up safely inside a pouch without injury. Measuring 32 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters high, it's designed for songbirds like thrushes, jays, or even sparrows, thanks to its tight 1 by 1 centimeter mesh that prevents escape. The set comes with 3 sturdy metal stakes with hooks. Setting it up is simple. Just push the stakes into the ground, secure the mechanism, scatter some bait, and wait. Weighing only 250 grams, the trap is lightweight and folds neatly into a compact roll, making it easy to carry in a pack. At just $25, it's an affordable and reliable tool where knowing simple, time-tested mechanisms can mean the difference between hunger and a meal. For 3 years, the team at Dissolve studied how deer actually see the world, and what they found was surprising. All those detailed leaf pattern camouflage outfits hunters wear? To a deer, they just look like one big blurry blob with a sharp outline. That's because deer see a lot like people without glasses. They can't make out fine details, but they immediately notice shapes, silhouettes, and symmetry. Dissolve Camouflage takes a different approach. Instead of relying on tiny details that deer can't even see, it uses a mix of large and small patterns designed to confuse depth perception. To a deer, this doesn't look like a person standing with a rifle. It looks like scattered shapes at different distances. The team tested their design for hundreds of hours in real conditions, even filming with filters that mimic deer vision. The result is camouflage created not to impress people at a trade show, but to actually fool the game you're after in the wild. The Gerber Double Down is not your ordinary machete. It folds in half like a butterfly knife, transforming from a full-size chopping tool into a compact, packable companion that slips easily into a backpack. This design makes it perfect for outdoor adventurers who want serious cutting power without carrying bulky gear. One of its standout features is the unique quad lock system. This mechanism allows you to lock the blade securely in 3 different positions, giving you the flexibility to chop, slice, or perform detailed cutting tasks with confidence. Whether you're clearing brush, making camp preparations, or handling lighter tasks, the Double Down adapts to your needs. Made with 420HC steel, the blade isn't the hardest on the market, but that's part of its charm. It can be sharpened quickly and easily with nearly any tool you have on hand in the field. Plus, Gerber backs it with a lifetime warranty, ensuring reliable use for years. Do you want me to make it sound more rugged and adventurous, like marketing copy for survival gear, or more casual and friendly, like telling a friend about it? The Evac Compression Dry Bag, priced at $40, is a must-have for hikers who want to keep their gear safe and organized. Packing a sleeping bag into a backpack can be tricky, but this bag makes it simple while ensuring full protection from water. Its smart membrane design allows air to escape while blocking water, so your sleeping bag stays dry and compact. 4 compression straps evenly tighten everything down, turning bulky gear into a neat, packable bundle. Made from recycled 70D water-resistant nylon with double-taped seams, it's tough and reliable. The white interior coating reflects light, making it easy to spot your items even in the dark. With sizes ranging from 5 to 35 liters, it handles everything from socks to full gear. The Sawyer extractor pump is a smart little tool that could save your life in an emergency. If you ever get bitten by a snake or stung by an insect, it buys you precious time before reaching medical help. Forget the old movie trick of sucking out venom. It doesn't work and can make things worse. This pump uses a powerful vacuum that's much stronger than your lungs to pull venom or toxins from just under the skin before they spread through your body. It comes with 4 different tips designed for everything, from bee stings to snake bites, so you can always find the right fit. You simply place it over the wound, pump with one hand, and it starts drawing out the venom. The parts are easy to wash with plain water, and the pump itself is built to last for years. At only $20, it's a one-time purchase that could make all the difference in a crisis. The legendary master knife maker Gil Hibben designed the Expendables 2 Bowie knife especially for the blockbuster movie The Expendables 2. This blade is as striking as it is powerful, featuring a mirror-polished 3CR13 stainless steel blade, an ivory-colored handle, and a gold-plated guard that give it a bold, cinematic look. Measuring an impressive 35 centimeters, it commands attention whether displayed in a collection or used in action. To complete the package, the knife comes with a high-quality leather sheath stamped with the official logo, a detail collectors will appreciate. Priced at $218, it's more than just a movie prop. It's a statement piece for anyone who values craftsmanship, style, and legendary steel. More iconic blades are coming your way soon. The sun has been giving us free energy for billions of years, and the Uber Laban Glass Mag is designed to harness it in the smartest way. Weighing just 68 grams, this titanium lens focuses sunlight into an intense pinpoint, hot enough to ignite a fire in seconds. No batteries, no gas, no matches, just pure solar power. The natural wood handle makes it easy to adjust and control the focal point, letting you watch the bright dot sharpen and grow hotter until flames appear, Only 300 of these lenses exist, crafted with precision, usually reserved for fine jewelry. Long after modern gadgets fail, this timeless tool will still be able to spark a fire, reliable, simple, and powered by the sun itself. The JV Survival Card is the kind of tool you hope you'll never need, but will be glad you have when things get tough. Designed by Joe Vogel, a survival expert who's tested himself everywhere from the Amazon to the Arctic, this clever little card packs an entire survival kit into something the size of a credit card. Made from durable German stainless steel, it's loaded with gear you can snap out and use right away. You get 5 fishing hooks in different sizes, 6 spear tips, saw blades with offset teeth, and even parts to build an ancient spear-throwing device that can triple your range. Need to catch an eel? Put together a trident. Hunting frogs? Use the harpoon. Going after birds? Set up the double hook snare in minutes. There's also a chisel for punching holes, plus a sharp blade for cutting and cleaning game. At just 60 grams, it slips into your wallet but could feed you for weeks, all for only $27. Knee Guard takes the pain out of working on hard surfaces by protecting the body part that suffers most, your knees. The no-cry professional knee pads, priced at just $28, are built for comfort, durability, and all-day use. Their dual-layer design combines gel and EVA foam. The gel molds perfectly to the shape of your knee, while the foam absorbs pressure from rocks, concrete, and other tough surfaces. A tough TPR cap grips the ground securely, keeping you steady while shielding against sharp objects. Reinforced straps with military-grade rivets ensure the pads stay firmly in place without slipping. Plus, the breathable 600D mesh keeps your knees cool, even after hours of work. Affordable, tough, and comfortable, these knee pads are built to last. KUIU HD Flex waders may cost as much as a secondhand scooter, around $800, but they're built for hunters who demand gear that performs in the toughest conditions. KUIU joined forces with Japan's Toray and America's Sims Fishing to design waders specifically for hardcore waterfowl hunters, combining advanced technology with rugged durability. Made from 4-layer HD Flex fabric, these waders are fully waterproof yet breathable, keeping you dry without trapping heat. The high-stress areas, knees, seat, and shins, are reinforced with double-weave material to withstand rough terrain and heavy use, preventing the early wear and tear that often ruins cheaper waders. The neoprene boots are lined with fleece to keep your feet warm even when you're standing in freezing water. They also feature a patented tread that sheds mud on its own, so you don't carry half the swamp with you. At just 2.7 kilograms dry, they're surprisingly lightweight for their level of protection. Whether you're wading through icy marshes or standing waist-deep in a swamp, these waders let you focus on the hunt, not on your gear. They're an investment built for serious hunters who refuse to compromise. The LifeStraw Escape gives families clean water anywhere, anytime. For $330, this system can provide up to 5 years of safe drinking water for a family of 4. Its 20-liter tank uses a powerful triple filtration system that cleans 1 liter of water per minute, faster than you can drink it. The first filter traps dirt and sand, while the ultrafine membrane blocks 99.99% of viruses, including hepatitis A and 100% of bacteria. An activated carbon layer removes lead, chlorine, and organic matter, leaving the water fresh and great tasting. Built to last, the membrane can filter up to 18,000 liters, enough to get you through years of use. A pressure release valve keeps the system safe, and a backwash syringe helps extend its lifespan. The HX Outdoors Mountain Kukri is built for power and durability. Its curved D2 steel blade focuses all the force into the point of impact, making every swing more effective. With a hardness rating of 58 HRC, the edge stays sharp for months, so you won't need to worry about constant sharpening during your adventures. The blade is 21 centimeters long with a total length of 35 centimeters, giving it a solid and balanced feel. Despite its size, it weighs just a little over half a kilo, making it easy to carry and use for extended periods. The rubberized handle is designed for comfort, fitting naturally in your hand, even after long hours of hard work. At just $80, it's a tough and reliable outdoor companion. The CRKT Provoke X isn't your typical pocket axe. It's a game changer. With a quick flick of the wrist, its patented kinematic design transforms it from a compact smartphone-sized tool into a full-size axe in seconds. This means you get serious power and performance in a package that's easy to carry every day. Built from tough D2 steel with a titanium nitride finish, the Provoke X is made to withstand extreme use, whether in survival situations or demanding outdoor tasks. The blade and spike lock securely into place with the innovative deadbolt system, so you can trust it won't fold unexpectedly. When you close it, an automatic safety engages, giving you extra peace of mind. Every detail of this axe has been carefully engineered for strength, safety, and ease of use. It's sleek, practical, and built to last a lifetime. If you're looking for a pocket-sized tool with maximum punch, the Provoke X delivers, all for $350. The Spetsnaz-style survival machete was designed with versatility in mind, originally created for Soviet special forces who needed one tool to handle countless tasks in the field. This rugged blade isn't just for chopping. It can saw, dig, pry, and even pull nails when needed. The modern version improves on the original design, fixing its biggest weaknesses. Instead of a hollow handle, it now features a full tang construction for unmatched strength and durability. The blade is crafted from tough 1080 carbon steel, making it far less brittle than older versions. At 9.5 millimeters thick, this machete is built like a tank, solid, heavy-duty, and ready for demanding work. The top edge comes with a chisel-style sharpening that adds even more functionality, while the built-in nail puller shows just how multi-purpose this tool really is. Weighing in at about 1 kilogram, it's not the lightest blade, but every ounce contributes to its reliability. Whether chopping wood, digging into hard ground, or prying open tough materials, this survival machete earns its place as an all-in-one field companion. The Alton Walkabout swag is the result of 3 years of testing and refining by Australian outdoor experts, designed to be the ultimate lightweight shelter for adventurers. Weighing only 1.5 kilograms, it's so compact it can be packed down to the size of a 2-liter bottle, making it easy to carry no matter where your journey takes you. Built with advanced nanopore fabric, this shelter can withstand an impressive 20,000 millimeters of water pressure, which is the same as being 20 meters underwater. Despite this level of waterproofing, the material still breathes, ensuring comfort and airflow inside even in wet conditions. The structure is supported by 3 durable aluminum poles, strong enough to stand firm in heavy storms. To add even more strength without extra weight, Alton uses DAEA guidelines, which are stronger than steel while being 15 times lighter. This combination of toughness and portability makes the Walkabout swag reliable in nearly any environment. Alton stands behind their product with a lifetime warranty, showing confidence that this shelter will serve you well into the future. Priced at $700, the Walkabout swag is an investment in long-term comfort, reliability, and freedom in the outdoors. The Woodman's Pal is a classic tool with a rich history. Designed in 1941 by Swiss engineer Frederick Ursum, it quickly became a favorite for both outdoorsmen and soldiers. During World War II, the U.S. Army relied on it in the jungles of the Pacific, where its unique design proved incredibly useful. At first glance, it looks like a machete, but it also has a sickle-shaped hook that sets it apart. Made from tough 1075 steel, it can cut down saplings up to 4 centimeters thick with just one swing. The sharpened hook isn't just for looks, it helps gather branches and pile them neatly, saving time and effort. The handle options are also thoughtfully designed. One version uses 32 stacked leather washers that absorb shock, making it comfortable for long use. The other is crafted from ashwood with carved finger grooves for a solid and secure grip. Both are built to last and add to the tool's rugged charm. Today, the Woodman's Pal remains a versatile outdoor companion, blending practicality, strength, and tradition. You can get one for about $150, a fair price for such a reliable and time-tested tool. Japan Tep is a special type of fiberboard designed for insulation, making it a great choice for dry screed projects. It can also be placed under parquet, laminate, or tile flooring, providing both strength and comfort. Thanks to its tongue and groove system, installation is quick, simple, and doesn't require special tools. The boards are fairly large at 190 by 50 centimeters, but they're easy to cut on site, which means even one person can handle the job without too much effort. One of the standout features of Japan Tep is its excellent sound insulation. In some cases, it can reduce noise levels by up to 50 decibels, making it a smart choice for creating a quieter and more comfortable living space. Another surprising benefit is its versatility. It can even serve as a temporary roofing solution, lasting for about 8 weeks. Durable, practical, and easy to use, Japan Tep is a reliable option for modern building needs. Imagine a building as a living body. Then, Alumega connectors are its flexible joints. These smart connectors don't just fasten beams to beams or beams to columns. They allow controlled movement. That's a big advantage during earthquakes or powerful winds, where rigid structures might crack or fail. The secret lies in Alumega's clever geometry and elongated bolt holes. These let the connections shift slightly, up to 8 millimeters, and in some cases even 12 millimeters, without losing strength. This flexibility keeps the structure stable while reducing damage risks. Another advantage is speed and simplicity. Alumega connectors can be pre-assembled in the factory, so when they arrive at the construction site, workers only need to tighten the bolts. No complicated setup, no wasted time. Just secure, efficient installation. In short, Alumega isn't just another construction part. It's a smart solution designed for today's demanding building standards, making construction safer, faster, and more reliable. It turns simple connections into flexible safeguards that protect the entire structure. Swiss researchers are working on new ways to make timber construction safer and stronger. Their focus is on cross-laminated timber, CLT, a material created by stacking layers of wood at right angles to each other. This unique structure gives CLT special strength and flexibility, making it very different from traditional wooden frame buildings. To understand how well CLT performs, researchers tested how these buildings react during earthquakes. The results showed that CLT walls add stiffness to a building, which helps it stand firm while still allowing some flexibility. Instead of collapsing, a CLT house will sway during an earthquake. But unlike frame or log houses, the swaying is much less pronounced. This balance of strength and movement makes CLT buildings safer in earthquake-prone areas. The research highlights how CLT can help create homes and structures that are not only more resilient, but also cost-effective for builders, offering a smart and sustainable solution for the future of construction. Cedar Roofing Company works with all kinds of roofing materials, from metal to bitumen, but what truly sets them apart is their expertise with wood. Their specialty is cedar shingles, a material that's both strong and lightweight. Cedar can withstand powerful winds, resists impact, and naturally helps regulate temperature, keeping homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Homeowners can also choose to have the shingles specially treated for extra protection against moss and fire, making them even more durable. Beyond practicality, cedar shingles bring a timeless beauty to any home. A roof covered in cedar has a unique charm, almost as if it carries the spirit and wisdom of the forest. It adds elegance, warmth, and character that few other materials can match. Choosing cedar shingles means not just investing in a roof, but in a home that feels inviting, natural, and truly one of a kind. Welcome to a future where wood and technology come together to reshape architecture. One of the oldest building materials has now become a symbol of modern innovation. Thanks to derricks, multi-story buildings are being created faster, cleaner, and smarter than ever before. Instead of noisy, messy construction sites, most of the work, around 60%, is already done in the factory. That means every piece is built with precision, accuracy, and no wasted time. When the modules arrive at the site, the crew simply assembles them like giant building blocks. The result? Entire buildings are completed up to 4 months faster than traditional methods. But speed doesn't mean compromise. Every module is custom-made, allowing architects and designers to freely experiment with layouts and floor plans. And since wood is a renewable resource, it's not just efficient, it's sustainable. This is more than construction. It's the future of urban living, built smarter and greener. The DMK system brings a whole new meaning to wooden construction. Imagine homes designed with the accuracy of a Swiss watch, yet built almost as quickly as you can hit a like button. But DMK is not just another building kit, it's a complete solution, flexible enough for cozy private houses, as well as larger multi-unit buildings. What makes it stand out is the innovation behind it, not only in design and construction, but also in the way people are trained to work with the system. Everything is carefully thought out to make the process smoother, faster, and more reliable. The real strength of DMK lies in its precision. Each component is crafted in a climate-controlled factory with the help of advanced automation. This means every piece fits perfectly, leaving no room for errors on the job site. When traditional wood meets modern technology, the outcome is something far beyond expectations. Strong, efficient, and beautifully designed homes ready for the future. Would you like me to make this more promotional/advertising style, like a brand pitch, or more educational, informative, like an article explanation? for slab formwork that makes construction easier and safer? The Doka Super Deck is built exactly for that. Designed by Doka, a global leader in formwork systems, it combines speed, simplicity, and safety in one solution. Even a small crew can set it up quickly, and in some cases, a single worker can handle the assembly alone. What's even more convenient is that parts can often be installed directly from the ground. No ladders needed. With only 4 main components, mistakes are minimal, and the mix of aluminum and wood keeps everything lightweight yet strong. The result is a system that saves time, reduces physical strain, and helps teams work more efficiently without compromising quality. What makes this foundation kit similar to a Swiss Army knife? Both take something complicated and make it simple. This kit is like magic for quick, hassle-free construction. Instead of heavy digging or messy concrete, sturdy metal components are driven straight into the ground to create a strong, reliable base for wooden frames. The system is easy to put together, even for beginners, and it can adjust to ground-level differences of up to 25 centimeters. That means you can build on uneven soil without extra effort. Perfect for decks, gazebos, or small buildings up to 40 square, it works on grass, bare soil, or gravel. Fast, clean, and cost-efficient, this kit gives you freedom to build smart. Interfacer is a company that designs, manufactures, and supplies wooden facade cladding. One of its standout products is thermally modified wood, created through a special high-temperature treatment that makes the material stronger and more resistant to moisture and decay. Thanks to this process, most Interfacer products come with a reliable 15-year warranty, giving customers long-lasting confidence. For professionals, the company offers the Wood Box, a handy sample kit featuring different types of wood from pine to ash, making it easier to choose the right material. For everyday customers, Interfacer provides helpful video tutorials and showcases of completed projects, demonstrating not just the durability, but also the elegance, style, and attention to detail behind every piece they create. Heraclith panels, also known as Heraclith boards, are made from wood wool, long, natural wood fibers combined with a strong cement binder. This unique mix makes them highly breathable, while also offering excellent thermal insulation. In simple terms, they help keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer, all while allowing walls to breathe and stay healthy. One of their biggest strengths is durability. These panels are resistant to mold, insects, and rodents, which means they last for many years without problems. They don't just perform well, they're also reliable and safe for long-term use. Heraclith boards are very versatile. They can be installed in walls, floors, ceilings, and partitions, or fitted between and under roof rafters. Wherever you use them, they improve comfort by creating a stable indoor climate. More than just insulation, they contribute to a healthier, quieter, and cozier living space, making them a smart choice for modern construction. imagined a wooden house that comes together like a giant puzzle in just 1 week? That's exactly what MHM makes possible. The system is built around special wall panels made from natural wood. These panels are created by pressing dried boards together in alternating layers and securing them with aluminum fasteners. The result is strong, eco-friendly, breathable, and naturally beautiful walls, without the usual wood problems like cracking or mold. Another big advantage is speed. You don't need to wait for the house to settle before starting the finishing work. Plus, construction isn't limited by seasons or weather. These panels can be installed any time of the year, rain or shine, making the process quick, clean, and reliable. Woodup's AccuPanels are more than just acoustic panels. They're a stylish way to transform your space. Not only do they reduce noise and protect your peace of mind, but they also bring warmth and character with natural finishes like oak, walnut, and other woods. Each panel is crafted from hand-selected veneer, recycled felt, and high-density fiberboard, combining beauty with sustainability. They're designed with simplicity in mind, so you don't need special tools or professional skills to install them. With clear step-by-step instructions, you can refresh a room in just a few hours. What makes them even better is their flexibility. When you feel like changing things up, Woodup offers accessories to keep the look fresh. From coat hooks to other add-ons, the panels can be updated easily, turning them into functional and versatile design pieces that grow with your style.